Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great. So if you are new here, hi, I'm Tamanna and this is my channel. I do here makeup, beauty, skincare and lifestyle videos. So yeah, if you haven't joined my family yet, then I will request you to please subscribe to my channel and join my family. And in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a very interesting product that is new to me. Alright, I haven't used it yet. So it's going to be like a first impressions video, a wear test and everything you need to know about the product. So before you buy it, you already know what this product is all about. So if this is something that interests you, then please continue watching. Alright, the star of today's video is this product right here, which is the Praush, formerly known as Plume, Say No Pore Mattifying Gel Primer. So this is what the product looks like, alright. So before I move on talking about the features of the product, I really want to, talk about the packaging and everything you need to know about the product. Alright, so this is the packaging and honestly, I love the packaging of the product. It's super cute. It's pink and white ombre packaging, which looks super chic and adorable. Alright, and this is a 30 grams primer. Alright, and let us see what they have printed on the package. So the benefits of the product are mattifying, blurring out imperfections and pores. And what is the usage? Under light or heavy makeup to mattify, control oil and make your foundation glide on the skin. That is really amazing. Alright, and the best part about this product is that it is suitable for all skin types. It's not only for oily skin since it's a mattifying one. Instead, the formulation of the product is in such a manner that it is suitable for all skin types, which is a great thing. Moreover, the product is vegan and cruelty free, which makes it even more greater. If we talk about the price of the product, this is priced at Rs 750, which we will get to know later on the video if it's worth or not. And there is a shelf life of 2 years for the product, which is really great. Alright, now let's open the product and see the beautiful product inside. Alright, so before I move ahead, there's a small disclaimer I need to put up in this video. This product was sent to me by the brand for me to review, so it is gifted by the brand. So yeah, that's really important for you guys to know. No matter if the product is gifted to me, the review or my thoughts on the product are going to be honest. So yeah. This is what the product looks from inside, and oh my god, the packaging is also ombre, pink white ombre, and looks so nice. The best part I can just say by looking at the product is that it is travel friendly. I love products that I can carry around without any fear of breakage, and that makes me so happy. Alright, so apart from being so beautiful and cute, this product is travel friendly too. So this might be a great travel partner for your makeup bag. I'm going to show you up close what the product looks like, and it so far looks really pretty. Before I move on to showing you the application of the product, I would like to call out some of the features of the product. Alright, so first of all, this is suitable for all skin types as I mentioned in the beginning. Plus, it has a unique formulation that makes your foundation and even the blush on top you're applying on the foundation to stay longer. Moreover, this product is said to blur out your pores perfectly and flawlessly, so you have a beautiful canvas for your makeup base. Another feature is that it has a skin perfecting formulation, which makes your skin look so hydrating without any oil residue. So it doesn't look greasy or sticky or anything. It just gives you a natural, vibrant makeup base. Also, it has an oil-free mattifying formulation, which means that it's going to make your makeup last you longer, and it does not leave any greasy residue on your face. It doesn't make it look tacky or cakey at all, and plus it won't even make you break out because it is oil-free, and yet it is mattifying, and it's also suitable for all skin types. It is vegan and cruelty-free. So there's enough of benefits of the product. Now let's test this buddy out. Alright, so this is the first time I'm actually trying out this product. It is also sealed, and although I've tried many other products from the brand Praush, which was also known as Plume earlier, now they've changed their name to Praush, which sounds so like luxurious and nice. So I've tried their lipsticks and they were really good. So I have high hopes from this primer as well. So now let's see how this works. So I have my regular moisturizer on, and I'm just going to take the product onto my fingers, and as you can see, the texture of the product is gel-like. because this is a mattifying gel primer. Obviously it has a gel-like texture and it feels like very nice and thick by touching it. So this is the consistency of the product. Now I'm just gonna apply it first on half of my face so we can see what the product works like and looks like on bare skin. Alright, so I'm going to start applying the product here, and feels very smooth and it easily blends onto the skin, which is something I really liked about the product. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see, but it sort of mattified my face a little bit. Like you can see the oiliness showing up here, and this sort of, you know, balanced out or mattified it a bit, which you know, looks amazing, by the way. Like, oh my god, and feels very soft. It doesn't feel tacky or anything at all, because you know, there are some silicone based primers that feel very tacky or heavy on the skin. However, this just is blending onto the skin just like a cream or very soft gel like cream, and that's something I'm really liking about the product so far. Alright, so you can see the difference. It has sort of mattified my face a little bit, which is something really good about the product. So I'm having high hopes from this product. Let's see how this works. Alright, so I've taken a bit of more of the product and I'm gonna, you know, spread it all over my face. I like to, you know, take my primer and spread it all over my face. Okay, you just saw what happened here. It sort of mattified my oily forehead as well, which is something really nice, and it doesn't feel heavy at all, like, because some primers tend to feel heavy or cakey, and this primer personally feels very lightweight and amazing. Alright, next I'm going to start applying some foundation, and let's see how the foundation sits over the primer, because this is the time where we can actually judge the primer, how the primer is. Alright, so I'm just taking my everyday foundation and I'm gonna just start applying it on top. And don't mind if you hear some noises at the background, because there's some construction going on and I clearly cannot get rid of construction whenever I'm filming a YouTube video. It feels like whenever I sit and film the video, there's everyone who wants to shout, scream and construct at that time. So yeah, okay, so I have dispersed the foundation evenly throughout my face. I'm going to take this Praush ka foundation brush and I'm going to start blending in the foundation. Okay, so far the foundation is blending up really nicely. I mean, it feels really well. Okay, I cannot see any pores seeing through my foundation, which is something really great. Okay, so far the foundation is sitting so well on my face. Like, the primer is actually so good. I can feel it already. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm loving the way the foundation is sitting on my face. Like, the finish of the foundation has turned out to be even better. So I use other primers, but after using this primer, my foundation is looking so much better than it does with other primers. And honestly, I haven't even powdered up my face yet, so I'm super excited to see how everything turns out to be after I've done the entire makeup. So yeah, I'm so happy with the product. Like, it feels so good, and you know, the foundation is not even like moving or so. Like, usually if you apply foundation on top of the primer and you know, press your fingers over your face, the foundation tends to move a little bit. But with this, I'm not facing any such type of thing, which is really great. And like, the foundation isn't even looking oily or cakey at all, which is something I'm really liking about the product. Alright, so now I'm just gonna powder up my face, and I'm taking this really jumbo makeup brush, and I'm just gonna dust some, you know, powder on top of my face so that everything gets sealed in. For bronzing up my face, I'm using the Praush 02 brush, and let's just do some powder contour. Okay, so I have noticed one thing, that the brush is really working well over the foundation and the product is not moving at all. Like, the foundation is not moving at all while I'm blending the contour, because what happens that when you apply a certain primer that is not good enough, the foundation tends to move or budge off when you are blending other products on top of it. So hands down, the primer is working really well so far, and the foundation has not moved at all, which is a total thumbs up from my side. Next, I'm going to apply some blush, and you can see it's applying so effortlessly and so well. Okay, so I'm going for a very natural everyday makeup look, but this primer is set to work on heavy makeup as well. So I would love to see how the primer works when I do a heavy base and a heavy makeup. So I'll definitely try it out as well with heavy makeups. But so far it's looking so well with everyday natural makeup look as well. Like, this is a very light makeup look that I'm doing, but yeah, so it's surprisingly amazing how the brush is gliding in so effortlessly without moving the foundation, and it's amazing. Like, I am shook, alright. And the brush itself is really good quality, very soft and everything, but the primer has actually made the foundation stick to my face, and it has given it a very soft matte finish, which makes it even easier to work with. And it's amazing. The foundation is not moving, and the pigmentation of the blush is also showing up, which is amazing. This is a sign of a great primer, and I am shook. For lipstick today, I'm using the Praush Beauty lipstick in the shade 105 Chick Flicks, and their lipsticks have such a beautiful packaging. I am obsessed, and the formulation of the lipstick is also really nice because it has a very soft matte formula, which I love. So yeah. Okay, the color is such a pretty pink color, but I have another lipstick from Praush, and I'm gonna just mix both of them to just, reduce the pinkiness of the lipstick. Although it's a very beautiful color, but I'm feeling more like going for nude. So I'm gonna take this other lipstick called High Tea and just, mix it. Okay, so now this color is more of my liking, and it looks absolutely beautiful. The formulation of the lipsticks is also really nice, soft matte, creamy, and looks really comfortable on the lips as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on some mascara and come back. Okay, I'm back, and this is the complete look, and I am loving it. It looks so cute and so pretty. And honestly, now talking about the product and the base, it has turned out really well. I had high expectations from the product already, but it worked out to my expectations, and I think beyond my expectations, and I'm loving the way the base is looking. So I have some other shoots that I have to complete, analyze session to host. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna see how the foundation sits on, how the base looks throughout the day. And at night, I'm going to update you guys about how the base is looking. So it's 4:53 right now, and I'm going to keep you updating, or basically I'll update you at night how the foundation has stayed throughout the day. And we're going to come to a conclusion about the product. So far, I'm loving it. Now let's see how the foundation stays throughout the day, so we can come up to a conclusion and judge the product, whether it is a hit or a miss. Oh my god, you guys, I was almost about to, remove my makeup and go to sleep after a tiring day, and I almost forgot I had to give you an update regarding the foundation and the primer. So it's 11:30 at night currently, and I'm going to give you an update. So far, my concealer did budge off. My lipstick went off because I was eating. I had dinner, and the lipstick did go from my lips, but the foundation is still intact. I love it. Like, it has gone a little bit from here, but so far it's there. It is there, and it's been what, almost 5-6 hours I've been wearing this makeup. My hair is oily, everything just went all over the place. Just the foundation stayed as it is, and it's a total thumbs up from my side. Like, my concealer did move, as you can see. It's a bit weird, the mascara is on because it is waterproof, but so far the concealer went off. So if you notice, a bit of the foundation has moved from my inner corners, but that's totally normal because I ate, I drank water throughout the day, I had a live session, I was talking and talking throughout the day, I went out with my friends, and I stayed like crazy all day and I didn't even touch up my face. I did touch up actually. I did touch it up once with some powder, some compact powder, and that's it. I only touched it up once, and this is my condition. All right, the concealer has moved. You can see a crease is coming up, inner corners with thoda foundation, and lipstick has gone, but the entire base is set till now, and it's been what, 5-6 hours since I did the makeup, and I am so obsessed with this product. Like, it's totally approved by my side. Like, it has done a great job in improving the longevity and the life of the makeup. So I would highly guys recommend you to give this primer a try. So yeah, I have it in my desk. Yeah, so this was the primer I used and it's amazing. You guys should definitely give it a try. And this is it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me review this product for you guys. Praush Beauty is available on Nykaa, Amazon and Purple, so you can get their products from these platforms. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the end. Please take care and keep on smiling. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.